Hey mobile geeks, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got an awesome hack for you. I'm going to show you a secret method to get unlimited gems completely free in Capybara Go. This method works on all devices: iPad, Android, iPhone. No matter what mobile device you're using, you'll be able to do it. Plus, there's no jailbreak or computer needed. I've tested it myself, and it's working flawlessly. As you'll see, the resource gets delivered directly to my account without a hitch. Alright, let's dive in. First things first, we need to locate our in-game user ID. This will be essential for completing the next steps. Once you have your user ID, open up your preferred web browser and head over to this page. Now you'll see this site has tons of mobile app and game hacks, each with amazing features. But for today, we're focusing on Capybara Go. To find it quickly, just use the search bar at the top and just click on it to open the hack page. On this screen, choose your platform and type in your username. Then hit the Proceed button and give it a few seconds to connect to the game server. No need to worry, this method is 100% safe and untraceable, so your account stays completely secure. Next, select the amount of gems you'd like, then hit Proceed. Once you confirm, the site will begin injecting the mod. This might take a moment depending on your internet speed and device performance. In most cases, you'll get a confirmation message once the modification is successfully applied to your account. But sometimes there's one last step. Depending on your device, you may need to verify your account. This ensures that only real users can access the hack. Don't worry, it's super simple and quick. A short video tutorial on the screen will guide you through it. Just follow the instructions and you'll complete it as quickly as possible. Okay, I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll skip it here and come back once my verification is complete. Alright, my verification is complete. I had to do a quick task in a few apps, but it only took a few minutes, totally worth it. Once you finish the steps, the process is done and your resources will be available in-game. Now, launch the game and enjoy your unlimited gameplay. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. Let me know in the comments how this trick worked for you. Have fun, and I'll see you in the next video.